Oh, it's going, it's good! Toss it! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Boys, we just made it into Texas. What is that, like 7 hours?
7 hours.
Hey!
Sticks it, let's go.
Welcome to Texas!
First one in Texas, boys, let's go. The stars at night are big and bright.
So guys, my mom wants us to be quiet and...
They do this every time.
We drove 12 hours today to get to Texas. So last year I did a Thanksgiving vlog. I liked how it turned out. So we are gonna be repeating that, boys. Kale also smuggled the Xbox all the way into Texas.
There you go.
So I've never played a game before in my life. I just played like Halo, you know, like 5 years ago. Your boy's making it. This is maybe my second game. Top 8.
Oh, I hear someone, I hear someone.
Break the fence behind you, to your left.
Shut up, I can do this.
He's in the circle.
Okay, I got you.
Then turn to the right, break the fence, and run directly.
Break the wrist, walk away. Break the wrist, walk away.
Hold the SMG, SMG, SMG.
No!
This guy is so confused.
We got Jace, Kai, and Kale who just ran up ahead versus the 3 uncles.
He'll say,
Obviously, we're gonna win, so. He's 0 for 20 right now.
there it is.
Nope.
Oh. You think so?
There it is.
Oh my gosh! He did it!
Which bear is best? False. Black bear. Put it up!
God, that!
Shoot it!
What do you think so?
First match, side basketball easy shot.
Let's see it, man. Let's see it. Yeah, first try, yeah! Woo! Let's go, baby!
Turn down for what?
Yeah! We got it, baby! We got it! Woo!
You guys have no idea. Oh my god.
Let's go!
I'm glad Sterling was the one that did it.
You guys have no idea.
We just took that shot like probably 80 different
No,
times.
Q and I were messing around with half-court shots, and then we were joking around and we did that. We were like, let's do that as a trick shot. And then it turned into this for 2 hours. What
We got it, boys.
time have we been out here?
I don't know. It's been a while.
Remember, bro, we've been out here for at
We ate
least 2 hours.
breakfast.
Oh! Woo! How do you feel, Sterling? How do you feel?
We've been doing this for...
We just shot 25 kicks through that shot. Okay, we deserve more for this, okay? This kid is an amazing YouTuber, okay? He needs a revive. I don't care about his videos, but I like this kid.
Hold on, can I get a flip check?
Flip check.
For the boys! For the boys, Kai! Yeah!
Nice.
No, but if you guys couldn't tell, like, I know probably some of you are probably thinking, oh, we make half court shots every day, but like, no, but that backboard was like impossible to make shots on because you guys saw it when we were like playing.
You guys could have stopped.
When we were playing that pickup game, you guys saw it like bounces over and over again. So that shot was dedication. Hit it. Oh. Okay, so this is the real one. That one's fake, and that one's fake.
It's
but this
10,000 BC. You're walking down a river and this thing pulls up on you. What are you doing, man?
Hey!
You guys, something's telling me we should go this way.
Please, no swimming or wading. Doesn't say no diving.
Oh, is that dog getting it?
Hold on, if that dog can do it, what's stopping me?
Sterling just backed out of a send it. He was gonna send it and then he didn't.
Alright, Steve will do it, never mind.
Send it! Bam!
Let's go!
Steve will do it.
There's like 4 cameras on her right now. Alright. Let's go, dude. Mentos right here. Ready?
You gotta swallow it, homie. Yo, he's foaming out of it.
It like gets in the back of your cheeks and like opens them up and you can like barely hear anything.
Yes.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Here's 2 of them. Bro, it's impossible. Ready?
We got
Full
2
send.
in there. Let's go. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh! No, harder, like shake it, like hit it. Shock put it. Oh! Oh, it's going, it's good! Toss it! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my
Okay, before you all say it, I know I look disgusting. Oh my gosh. But I have an excuse. I'm sick. Yeah, it kind of sucks that I just now got sick and winter break just started. I haven't been able to do anything during this winter break yet, which really sucks. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I just spent like 5 hours editing this video, so if you guys could please leave a like, that would be awesome. And I'm sick, so that'll cheer me up just a little bit. Besides that, I think a Christmas vlog will be up sometime within the next week, so watch out for that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.